Finalizing your students' grades is the step you take to acknowledge that they have completed all course requirements. If this step is not completed, when a student meets an expiration date, their status will change to expired, and no grade will be reported for the student before they are shown as inactive. Here are the steps you must take to finalize your students' grades. You can do this for one student or multiple students at a time. Start in the grade book of the course for which you need to finalize a grade. To finalize the grades of active students, select the Tools icon, then click Go to Final Grades. Using the radial button, choose your setting for handling unscored activities. As its name suggests, the Excuse All Unscored Activities option excuses any unscored items from the final grade. The student's total scores will not change. Zero All Unscored Activities inserts a 0 for any graded item students did not complete. Selecting 0 All Unscored Activities will change the student's scores. Next, find the student or students whose grades need to be finalized, and then click the checkbox next to their name. Once you have selected the students whose grades need to be finalized, click Submit Selected. You will be asked to confirm whether you want to finalize grades for that specific number of students. When you are done, you will see a letter grade and a green check mark in the far right-hand column. Your students' final grades have now been finalized and reported. When you go back into the gradebook, a letter grade will be visible in the Reported column for each student. If this column is not visible, go to Display Options and check this option. Remember, finalizing your students' grades is an essential end-of-course process, and it only takes a few clicks.